The tablet market is dying. That's what they told us. They said the era of the small form factor was over. They said the smartphone got too big and the laptop got too light. But they were wrong. Deep inside the labs at Apple Park, something is shifting. A device that shouldn't exist is about to redefine everything you thought you knew about portable power. If you're holding on to your iPad mini 6, or if you've been waiting years for a reason to upgrade, listen very closely. This isn't just a spec bump. This is the iPad mini M5, and it is Apple's most dangerous gambit yet. Think about the last time a piece of technology felt invisible in your hands but felt like a supercomputer in your mind. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We've been stuck in a cycle of incremental updates, haven't we? A slightly better screen here, a slightly faster chip there. But the M5 iPad mini is different. This is Apple finally uncaging the beast. We're talking about a device that fits in a jacket pocket but outruns a MacBook Pro from just 2 years ago. Why would Apple do this? Why put their most powerful consumer silicon into their smallest frame? Because the game has changed. The competition is closing in, and Apple is about to drop a nuclear option on the small tablet market. Let's talk about the heart of the machine. The M5 chip. This isn't just silicon, it's a statement. For years, the Mini was the budget Pro or the powerful toy. Not anymore. By skipping the M3 and M4 cycles and jumping straight into the M5 architecture for the refresh, Apple is solving the thermal throttling issues that plagued previous small devices. Imagine editing an 8K ProRes video while sitting on a subway. Imagine playing console-level games with ray tracing enabled, without the back of the device turning into a frying pan. This is possible because of a new 2-nanometer process that is so efficient, it defies the laws of physics we've grown used to. But power is nothing without a canvas. Look at that display. For years, the jelly scrolling issue was the dark cloud hanging over the Mini 6. Apple heard the screams. The M5 Mini introduces the ProMotion Ultra display. We are finally getting 120 Hz on the small screen, but with a twist. It's a tandem OLED panel, the same tech found in the massive Pro models, squeezed into an 8.3-inch frame. The blacks are infinite. The brightness peaks at 2000 nits. It's like looking through a window into another dimension. If you've ever used a Mini and felt it was just a bit slow compared to your iPhone Pro, that feeling is gone forever. This is the smoothest experience Apple has ever crafted. Now, let's get into the why. Why do you need this? You don't need it for emails. You don't need it for Netflix. You need it because the world is moving toward spatial computing and AI integration that requires massive local processing power. The iPad mini M5 is the first AI-first tablet. With a dedicated neural engine that can handle trillions of operations per second, this device is your personal assistant on steroids. It learns your workflow. It predicts your next move. It handles Apple Intelligence not as a feature, but as its core identity. But here is the secret Apple doesn't want you to focus on until you have the device in your hand: the battery. How do you put an M5 chip and a tandem OLED screen in a tiny chassis and still get all-day battery life? The answer lies in the new, stackable battery tech. By layering the cells, Apple has increased the